wheels. I'm a stroker. Mr. I be stroking. Don't forget the Mr. Big Stroke. Y'all see who we here with, man. Internet City.
What's going on, gang? Hey, look. You
Oh,
I'm taking this over. He gonna do too much talking. Look. Straight there.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get a no call and quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this. You
gonna do too much talking. Look. Straight there.
get out the way. Big So, that's the biggest.
We don't worry about that. Look behind him. We don't worry. Look behind him.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Come on now.
Check it out.
We went real simple with it. We got a 3.0 Whipple. Right now we pushing 750, 800 to the wheel. First project car. Next project gonna be even better. So we just having fun. Had to get with the family. About to have a whole lot of fun today. We stepping out. He asked me if I could pull up. I said, you family, I'm gonna be there. So we here, let's get it.
You already got his drink on. We're not even in the show yet.
Yeah. Big tequila. All day, every day.
What we got, Big Stroke?
Oh yeah, we got some goodies, we got some snacks.
Yeah, that light bump. They don't know, huh? They don't know.
Oh, he's different. Fat boy approved.
Yeah, fat boy approved.
Fat boy approved.
We're gonna leave you where you at.
What up, Stroke fam? It's me, Mr. I Be Stroking. Look like I got something in my beard. That's gray hair, guys. I'm here with
Sweet Pea.
And unfortunately, we lost some audio at Texas Truck Fest. It was with El Michelada Chapelon. And they were just introducing to us about what happened or how they were the people who sponsored the event. But we're going to put their description down below and just say support them. And they actually have a truck raffle going on, which I'll show you the truck. Pretty dope. What do you think?
It's dope.
So y'all go like, comment, subscribe, support them. And if you think the truck is dope, go cop some tickets.